Have any of you heard this one before? Okay, that's good. Well, there's no point in doing this one then. How are we doing then? Are we still having fun? Go ahead, Tom. She has the thing. YouTube. Going on YouTube. By the way, if you wouldn't mind, please, with no more photography today, because some of our pictures have been showing up on eBay and selling for $2,000 and $3,000. We're not getting any. Does that happen to you, Bobby? It was $20,000 worth of pictures of us sold last week on eBay, and it's really annoying the heck out of me.
I got none of it.
Even the kids down here laughing at me. Kids down here going, yeah, mister, sure, right. Anyhow, here's a song called The Man with a Cap. They say he was the strangest man you'd ever want to meet. He didn't like the towns at all, and he kept to the quiet street. But mostly he was in the field. He always wore a cap, the same one for Sunday as for iron up a gap. And no one has a photo of this man. No one seems to know his plan. He was lonely as a baby and as gentle as a child, and it seems he often spoke of Oscar Wilde. Well, I mind we used to sing on a quiet summer night, standing by the roadside like a rabbit in the light. He'd never wave, just nod his head, he always wore a tie. Some people said that he was odd, and others said just shy. And no one has a photo of this man. And it seems he had a girl one time, but she must have gone away. Perhaps he was too quiet or too different in his way. He never bothered after that, got careless with his looks, forgot to shave for 7 years and took to reading books. And no one has a photo of this man. And they say he'd stand for hours just gazing at the hills, his bicycle beside him, and both of them as still as statues in the sunset, and no one knew his mind. And when he died, they said that he was kind. Well, we laid him down this morning, and the rain was falling fast. Those of us who knew him were with him till the last. The priest was sprinkling prayers and holy water in the rain, and he said we'd hardly ever see the likes of him again. And no one has a photo of this man. No one seems to know his plan. He was lonely as a baby and as gentle as a child, and it seems he often spoke of Oscar Wilde. And no one has a photo of this man. Thank you.